Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS Scanwatch Light, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the WITHINGS Health-made application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the WITHINGS Health-made application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, tap on the device icon in the top right corner. And on the My Devices list, you should see your Scanwatch Light. Once you see it, tap on Notifications. And here we can enable and disable the notifications for our watch. To enable the notifications as the whole thing, tap on the switch. And now you can enable and disable different types of notifications. You can enable or disable the incoming calls, messages, and applications. To enable the incoming calls notifications, tap on the switch and allow the required permissions. If you see this pop up on the screen about the notification access, tap on Continue, scroll through the list of apps and find WITHINGS app. Once you find it, tap on it, then tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access, tap on Allow, and once the switch is ticked on, it's enabled, you can go back to the app. And next we can enable the messages notifications. If you see the pop-up about the permissions, allow it. If you don't, that means you have the required permissions. And then you can scroll down, find the list of applications, and here you can enable the notifications for specific applications on your phone. Basically how it works is, if you enable notifications, for example, for Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. If you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch, you will see it only on your phone. So that's how it works. Enable the notifications for the apps you like, and at this point you should be able to receive them. So we can close the app. And now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. You have the notification. And you can press the Chrome button to skip it if you want to. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.